Okay, today I'm going to be installing this new halogen bulb. You've probably seen these before, known as a spotlight, work light, utility light. First of all, screens here should just pop right off there like that. We got a screwdriver on the top, or Phillips, either one. It's absolutely filthy. Well, this is the halogen bulb. I hope it's the right one. We'll find out. These all pretty much work the same. It just lays down like that. Okay. Let's see if I can get a little closer here. Okay, so just pushes into one side, pops out the other, kind of just like a fluorescent bulb. As you can see, this one's destroyed. These things are very temperamental. You bump them while they're hot, they pop. So it looks like this new bulb here will fit. And it looks like we've had some issues with the new bulb already. So that must have been broken its case. So I'll have to try to find a new bulb. Meantime, you can use Windex, use soap and water, use whatever you like. I haven't used it in a while because I've just been too lazy to put in a new bulb. This mixture I'm using here, I actually went online to make a mixture for anti-steaming for my bathroom mirror, so when you get out you can actually see what you're doing. It's equal parts cleaning vinegar, alcohol to distilled water, and then I put in a little Dawn dish soap. For making a anti-misting agent, they don't require the dish soap. It would be used completely separately on its own, so you would just use straight dish soap to prevent steam. But I tried this other mixture. The only problem is you have to put it on before every use. You don't put it on before you take a shower. Every single time you come out, steam. And that's just a little too much work. I think I'll just live with the steam. Always important to take care of your tools whenever you can. Tools aren't cheap, but you can definitely buy cheap tools. So it helps to take care of them whenever possible. Alright, so we got her all cleaned up. There shouldn't be anything on the foil in the back unless you've had the glass case open. Then you'll want to clean that. The more reflective the material and the cleaner the glass, the better light source you're going to have. Alright, and now let's see if we can find another bulb. Okay, so I was able to find another bulb. This is another 500 watt bulb. Nothing fancy, same type. Except it's not broken. So again, you should be able to just pop this in here. Make sure your hands don't have any oils or anything on them. Push it into one side. That should snap right in there. Easy peasy. This foil is really thin, so be careful with it. It's just a reflective plate. Okay. And we've got juice. Close this back up here. So now that we've got the bulb in, we can know that the bulb works. Put this back together. And you don't need to put the cage on. You could leave it off if you wanted to. But it does help protect it, especially in a work environment. There's things being scattered around and such. Let's see here. Clips in the bottom first. And then up under the top. So it holds in place. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Okay. We got heat and we got light. We actually just use this for a space heater. It's hot enough. Alright, and that is how you change a halogen bulb on a utility light. Quick and simple.